Hello children, hope you all are safe and healthy. So in the previous class we have studied about the fractions. So in this class we are going to learn about the measurements. What do you mean by measurements? We know if suppose we need to find the length of this board. So by using the scale or by using the tape we measuring any objects. We have units. So measuring of the length. So length, this is the length. What is the length of this board? So measuring the length, we use the two units, that is about the meter and the centimeter. There are two units of the length. There are two units of the length, that is meter and the centimeter. Let us learn about the centimeter. Now centimeter are used to measure the shorter length. So a centimeter is used to measure the shorter length. So centimeter. So C stands for centi, M stands for meter. So centimeter is used to find the shorter length. So measurement of the length, the two units we have, meter and the centimeter. We are learning about the centimeter. So centimeter we can write it as a cm. So C stands for centi, M stands for meter. Why we use the centimeter? We use the centimeter to find the shorter length. So to find the tip of our finger, this is the tip of our finger. To find the tip of our finger, so this is the shorter length, right? So I will tell it's about 1 centimeter. It's about 1 centimeter. The tip of our finger is about 1 centimeter. Why I am telling about 1 centimeter? Because it is not exact. It is not exact value. So if we measure, this is our ruler or a scale. We call it as a scale or a ruler. So how we have to measure? We have to measure from the mark 0. So 0. So we have to measure like this. My tip of my finger is about 0 to it is about 1 centimeter. So I am telling it's about 1 centimeter. To measure the shorter length, we use the centimeter. Always keep in your mind, to measure the shorter length, we use the centimeter. So then, always this is the ruler which gives the exact centimeter measurement. This is the centimeter scale. I have 30 centimeter scale which gives the exact centimeter measurements, of any object. The line from 0 to 1. So what I am telling, the line from 0 to 1. I will write the scale over here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 1. Right? From here to here, that is 1 centimeter. From 0 to 1, it is 1 centimeter. From 0 to 1, it is 1 centimeter. And here, the most dangerous ant in the world, is bulldog ant. So, and it is found in the Australia. How long is that ant? Remember, you have to always measure from the 0 mark. So, take out the page number 160. In that we have a ant. So, the bulldog ant, they are measured with the scale, with the help of the scale. So, we have to measure from the mark 0. So, from here to here, it is 2 centimeter. It is about 2 centimeter. The meter is the greater value. Now we are going to learn about the meter. Now we have learned about the centimeter. Centimeter is used to measure the shorter length and it stands for cm. You can write it as a cm. C stands for centi, m stands for meter. Okay, children. So this the centimeter ruler or a scale. We have to measure from the zero. We have the mark zero. We have to measure any object. Okay, children. So now we are going to learn about the meter. These are units of the measurement, units of the length. Okay. Now we are going to learn about the meter. A meter is a greater unit of the measurement. A meter is the greater unit of the measurement and is used to measure the longer length. So you use it to measure the longer length. Used to measure the longer length. So here, what would you use to measure this? So centimeter or a meter? A needle. We have a needle, right? So needle is about centimeter or a meter. So it will be smaller. So we use centimeter. A needle is we use to measure with the centimeter. And a bus we use a meter, right? How long it will be? And then train. Train also we use meter. And the pencil box will be centimeter. Pencil box will be shorter. So shorter length we use centimeter. And the key also we use centimeter. So you have to write over here. So the needle we use to measure with the centimeter scale, and the bus we use to measure with the meter, and the train we use to measure with the meter scale, and also the pencil box we use to measure with the centimeter scale. Okay, children. Why we use the centimeter? To find the shorter length. And why we use the meter? We use to measure the longer length. And meter is the greatest unit of the measurement. Now measuring in meter and the centimeter. Measuring meter and the centimeter. How long are these? So in this centimeter ruler, you can see that each centimeter has been put into 10 equal parts. The halfway mark show half of the centimeter. So we have the ruler over here. So what I told, this is the ruler. What I told, from 0 to 1 it is 1 centimeter. Between 0 to 1 the centimeter is parted. How many equal parts we have done? 10 equal parts. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts. So the halfway mark shows half of a centimeter. So look at this page number 161. So they are measuring the scale. They are measuring with the scale of the pencil. So the pencil ends exactly and on the midway mark. So they are measuring the pencil. So that is ends between midway out between 5 centimeter on the 6 centimeter. So I will write 4 to 5. That the pencil measures between 4 to 5. Midway of 4 to 5. Then what we will call it as 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. 4 point. What I told, half, right? 10 half is it measures between 4 to 5. Midway of 4 to 5. So midway is 5. How many lines we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. 4.5 centimeter. So we have to write 4.5 centimeter. The pencil measures about 4.5 centimeters. Okay, children? That is half. This that 1 centimeter is equally 10 equal parted. They have divided into 10 equal parted. The halfway mark. The halfway mark is the half centimeter. So 4 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a 5, right? So 4.5. 0.5 centimeter as 4.5 centimeter or 4 1 by 2 centimeter. You can write like this. So one more pencil they have measured. The pencil ends between 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So the pencil ends between 4 centimeter and the 5 centimeter, and it is closer, but it is closer to 4 centimeter. It is not to the midway. It is about the 4. It is closer to the 4 centimeter. It is not between the midway. It is closer to the 4 centimeter. So it is a 4 centimeter. Why it is 4 centimeter? It is closer. What I have to write? It's about 4 centimeter. So it is not closer. It is closer to 4 centimeter. It is not reached the halfway. So it is 4 centimeter. So we have to write like this. So converting the meter to the centimeter. So we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Always you should keep in your mind 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This is very important. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now what we are going to learn? Converting the meter to the centimeter. Converting the meter to the centimeter. Now 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. So on. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. So the tallest man in the world is the turkey. He is 2 meter 51 centimeter. Now the tallest man in the turkey is his height is about 2 meter 51 centimeter tall. 2 meter 51 centimeter tall. And how many centimeter is that? Now we have 2 meter 51 centimeter tall. He is of 2 meter and 51 centimeter. So what we know? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So what we have here? 2 meter. 51 is in the centimeters only. So only we have to convert this. Only we have to convert 2 centimeter. 2 meter is 200 centimeter. We know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. 200 centimeter we have. And then 51 centimeter is there. So we have to add that. So 1, 5, 2. 251 centimeter. So what we have done? Otherwise, now another way. 2 into 100 units. If we multiply with the 100, it will convert to the centimeter. Whatever the meter we are having, we have to multiply with the 100. multiply by 100 to convert meter to centimeter. So 51 is already in the centimeter form. We need not to convert. So 51 we have to add. 200 plus 51 is 251 centimeter. So this is how we have to convert the meter to the centimeter. Multiply by 100 to convert meter to centimeter. Always keep in your mind, whenever we are going to convert the meter to centimeter, we have to multiply with the 100. Why it is? 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. If we multiply with the 100 to the meter, it will automatically convert to the centimeter. So you have to check this. So this is the meter, this is the centimeter. What is the question they ask? You have to convert to the meter. Whatever meter is there, so that only that we have to convert. We need not to convert this. Exercise 9A will be your homework. So in that, convert to the centimeter. Now 3 meter we have. How to convert to the meter? I told 3 into 100 we will get 300. Now what is the unit? Centimeter. Why? Because we are going to convert to the meter to the centimeter, right? So 3 into 100 is 300 centimeter. So always we have to be careful with the units. So 9A will be your homework. And measuring in the kilometer. If you have to measure the how wide the ocean is or the distance from Thiruvananthapuram to the Chandigarh, you cannot do it using the meter. You will need to bigger unit of the measurement for kilometer. So we have a greater measurement, that is the meter. So we have to measure the distance. To measure the distance from one place to other place, we use kilometer. We use kilometer. K stands for kilo, M stands for meter. Kilometer. To find the distance between, one place to other, we use kilometer. Why we use the kilometer? To measure the distance between the one place to another place. The distance between the one place to other, we use the kilometer. Kilometer is used to measure the distance. Kilometer is used to measure the distance. And 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer. Meter. So we know 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. If you walk 1000 meter, you will cover 1 kilometer. Okay children, to measure the distance we use a kilometer. K stands for kilo, M stands for meter. Kilometer. Always keep in your mind, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Always keep in your mind. Okay children, and a school bus is about 10 meter long. School bus is about 10 meter long. It is about 10 meter long. A school bus is about 10 meter long. So 100 school bus stands one behind the other. So 100 into 10. 100 into 10. So one bus is 10 meter. So one behind the other it is standing. So 100 school buses is standing. 100 into 10. That will be 1000. So 1000 meter means 1 kilometer. So kilometer is the longest kilometer, meter, centimeter. These are the three. We have the measurement of the length. This is the longer length of longer. This is the longer unit. This is the longer unit of this three. This is the shorter unit of these three. We use to measure the shorter length by using the centimeter scale, and to measure the distance between one place to another we use kilometer, the meter, to find it even more longer than the centimeter longer length, so you use the meter. So this is about the measurement of the length, that the units are kilometer, meter and the centimeter. These are the measurement of the length and the units of the length, that is kilometer, meter, centimeter. These are the units of the length. Okay children, 9A will be your homework and 9B also your homework. So measurement of the mass. Measurement of the mass is weight. Measurement of the weight. So we have the two units of mass, that is kilogram and gram. So we can write like this: kilogram we can write kg, gram we can write g. Kilogram and gram. Kilogram and gram. So the kilogram is used to weigh the heavier object. Used to weigh the heavier object. Lighter object. Kilogram is used to measure, is used to weigh the heavier object. Gram is used to weigh the lighter object. Okay children? Say 1 kg is equals to how many grams? 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. So take out the page number 165. In that, so the balance shows that 1 kg is equals to 500 grams weight. Now 1 kg is equals to 1 kg weight is equals to 500 means 500 plus 500, that will be 1000, right? 1000 grams. 500 grams to make 1 kg. So we have the weight here. This is the weighing scale. This is the called weighing scale. The point shows towards the center. It means it is balanced. It is balanced. So 1 kg. So if we are having 250 grams, how many 250 grams to make 1 kg? So 4 250 grams. 250 grams, 250 grams, 250 grams, 250 grams. So 250 plus 250 is 500. 250 plus 250 is 500. 500 plus 500 is 1000 grams. If we put 4 250 grams, so it will become a 1 kg. If we put 500 weight, it will become 1 kg. Are you getting children? If we have the 100 kgs weight, how many we have to put 100 kgs weight to become 1 kg? That means 100 kgs if we put, it will become 1 kg. So here what we have to write? Here for 250 grams weight. So 1 kg is equals to 100 kgs weight. We have 100 kgs weight. 1 kg equals to 10 100 kg weights. Sorry, 10 grams weight we have to, 100 grams weight we have to put. Okay children, so we have the units of the mass, that is kilogram and gram. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. Kilogram E stands for kg, K stands for kilo, G stands for gram. Kg is used to weigh the heavier object. Gram is used to weigh. So we have learned the kilogram and the gram. So now we are going to learn the measurement of capacity. We have two units of measurement of capacity, that is liter and milliliter. So this liter is used to measure the larger quantity of the liquid. Milliliter is used to measure the smaller quantity of the liquid. So 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So you already have to keep in your mind that is 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. This is the unit of capacity. So the liter used to measure the larger quantity of the liquid. So milliliter used to measure the smaller quantity of the liquid. So the few drops of the liquid in the spoon we used to measure with the unit of milliliter. And we have the 1 liter bottle. So we have the water in the bottle. So we used to measure with the liters. 1 liter. So L stands for the liter and milliliter is M. L. M stands for milli, L stands for liter. Milliliter. 1 liter and a milliliter. So 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. So 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So what we have learned today, we have learned the measurement of the length. The unit of the lengths are kilometer, meter, and the centimeter. And the unit of the mass are weight or kilogram and the gram. Kilogram is to measure the heavier object. Gram is used to weigh the lighter object. Liter is used to measure the larger quantity of the liquid, and milliliter is to measure the smaller quantity of the liquid. We know 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. 1 gram is equals to 1000 gram. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. This is all about the measurement. So this we have, and also we have the exercise 9D. We have to do the exercise problem. And here we have the problem solving, mixed problem solving. How long is the needle? We have a needle. I hope you all are seeing the needle. The needle is very small. So the unit of the, how we measure? We measure by using the centimeter scale. The needle is used to measure with a shorter length, right? So you will be used to measure in the centimeter. And then here, darken the route in which the Ashok Nagar is at the distance of 18 kilometers from the Bapu Nagar. So we have to darken. So here, take on the page number 169. That's here, Bapu Nagar to Ashok Nagar. So we have to darken. So we have to darken the way that will be 18 kilometers. How to count this number? That is 3 plus 5 is 9. So sorry, 8 plus 9 will be 8 plus 9 will be 17 kilometers. So we have to, then 2 plus 2 is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. We have to darken 2 to 8 and then 2 kilometers, and then we have to color the 6 kilometers. So it will cover the 18 distance of 18 kilometer. And a car tank can hold 35 liters of the petrol. 35 liters of petrol. And right now there are 19 kilometers remaining. Now it is having 19 kilometers. How many more liters are needed to fill the tank? So we have to subtract 35 minus 19. So 15 minus 9 we have to do. Y means 5 is lesser than 9. So we have to take 1 from 3. So it will become 15. 15 minus 9. That will be 6. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. So 16 liter is needed. 16 liter it needs to fill the car tank. Then a passenger on the train has 3 pieces of luggage with him. If each 3 piece weight 21 kg. So 21 kg. How many kilograms of luggage he is carrying? So 3 into 21 we have to do. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 63 kilograms, 63 kgs we have to write. So then the sixth one, 30 grams of the sweet were bought for the distribution on the Children's Day. If these were equally distributed in 5 classes, how many kgs did each class give? Each class, so we have to divide. So 30 divided by 5. 5 is 30. We have to subtract. So 6 kgs. 6 kgs of the sweet, the each classes will get. So you have to write it in your notebook. This is the first question's answer. This is second, and then this is third. This is the word problem answers. So this is about the measurement. So thanks for the session. We'll meet in the other session. Do the homework. Stay safe. Stay at home.